This is the explanation of our Box Optronics Tech Time-domain Optical Coherence Tomography (OCT) solution. Time-domain OCT is mainly composed of Michelson interferometer. The light emitted by the light source is divided into two beams after passing through the coupler and enters the sample arm and reference arm of the Michelson interferometer respectively. The sample light is returned by the scattering and reflection of the sample, and the reference light is reflected back by the reference mirror. If the optical path difference of the return two beams is within a coherence length, interference can occur to form an interference spectrum carrying the sample information. The optical signal is converted into an electrical signal through a photodetector at the receiving end, which is then collected by a data acquisition card. Finally, the signal is processed and reconstructed by a computer to perform tomographic imaging of the sample. OCT is widely used in clinical medicine. Our company provides 850 nanometers superluminescent diode or modules, 850 nanometers 2x2 fiber couplers, 850 nanometers polarization independent isolators, 850 nanometers C-lens, and 850 nanometers 3-ring polarization controllers for OCT. Box Optronics Tech can provide a complete set of optical fiber devices for OCT. The copyright of this video ultimately comes from Box Optronics Tech.